Your core is the center of it all. It's what keeps you balanced, strong, and stable. And your spine? That's your lifeline. Your body's axis of movement. Today, in just 5 minutes, we're going to awaken that power within you. Let's get you feeling grounded, strong, and energized. This routine can be done anywhere, at home, in the gym, or even outside. All you need is a mat or a soft surface. Each stretch will last for about a minute. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours. Inhale as you lift your chest and tailbone toward the sky, arching your back into cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Imagine your spine moving like a wave, rolling through each vertebra. For 1 minute, let your breath guide you. Inhale to open, exhale to round. Every movement creates more space, more flexibility, as you bring life into your spine. This is your core and back waking up, loosening, and getting ready to support you through your day. Now, we engage the core and build balance. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, creating a straight line from your fingertips to your toes. Imagine reaching out in opposite directions. Your body long, steady, and strong. Inhale as you stretch. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath you. Move with control, flowing through each breath. For 1 minute, let your core do the work, stabilizing you as you balance strength and stretch. Switch sides now. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back, reaching out long. Feel your body stretching and lengthening. Then exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together. Keep moving with your breath, focusing on control and balance. This movement activates your core, strengthens your lower back, and brings balance to your entire body. You're not just stretching, you're building a foundation of strength and stability that will carry you throughout the day. Come onto all fours for thread the needle. Slide your right arm underneath your left, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Feel the twist in your spine, releasing tension from your upper back. Breathe deeply here for 1 minute. Each exhale lets you sink deeper into the twist, unlocking tightness in your spine and shoulders. This is where your body begins to unwind, freeing up your upper back and bringing more flexibility to your core. Switch sides. Slide your left arm underneath your right, lowering your shoulder and head to the mat. Feel the gentle twist through your spine, stretching the muscles in your back and core. Hold for 1 minute, letting your breath guide you. With each exhale, release more of that built-up tension. Your spine is unwinding, your back is opening up, and your core is finding its strength. Every twist brings you closer to balance and freedom of movement. Awesome work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've awakened your core and spine, bringing strength and stability to the center of your body. Want to keep that feeling going? Check out another stretching video, dive into a workout to strengthen those muscles even more, or unwind with a calming meditation. Keep your core strong, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.